Hello, my friends. Welcome back to English Flow Podcast. I'm Alex, and this episode is your quick 5 to 8 minute English shadowing session. Even if you're busy, yes, even if you're walking, cooking, cleaning, or just lying in bed, you can practice right now. No excuses. You've got 5 minutes, right? That's all you need. This is not only listening, this is speaking practice. So open your mouth, speak with me, and shadow every sentence. Stay with me until the end. Don't pause, don't skip. Let's flow together. All right, let's begin.
Every morning starts with a simple moment. When I wake up, the first thing I do is sit up slowly and look around my room. Now you say it. I sit up slowly and look around my room. Great! Then I reach for the window and let the morning air in. I open the window and breathe in fresh air. Now you say it. I open the window and breathe in fresh air. Nice! Sometimes I don't want to get out of bed. I think just a little longer. I stay in bed for a few more minutes. Now you say it. I stay in bed for a few more minutes. Excellent. Then I finally get up and check the time on my phone. Now you say it. I check the time on my phone. Good. After that, I walk to the kitchen and drink a glass of water to wake up. Now you say it. I drink a glass of water to wake up. Great. Then I make a warm cup of tea or coffee. Now you say it. I make a warm cup of tea or coffee. I can't start my morning without something warm to drink. Now you say it. I can't start my morning without something warm to drink.
Sometimes I eat a simple breakfast. I grab something quick and easy. Now you say it. I grab something quick and easy. But when I'm running late, I skip breakfast. Now you say it. I skip breakfast when I'm running late. Good. I usually eat lunch around noon or a little later. Now you say it. I usually eat lunch around noon or a little later. Some days I bring lunch from home. Now you say it. Some days I bring lunch from home. Other days I eat outside at a small cafe. Now you say it. I eat at a small cafe. Sometimes I eat with friends or coworkers. We talk about our day and share stories. Now you say it. I eat with my coworkers and talk about our day. Nice. Other times I like quiet lunches. I listen to music or a podcast while I eat. Now you say it. I listen to music while I eat. After finishing lunch, I take a short walk to clear my mind. Now you say it. I take a short walk to clear my mind. In the afternoon, I make another cup of coffee or tea to stay focused. Now you say it. I make another cup of coffee to stay focused. Then I concentrate on finishing my tasks for the day. Now you say it. I concentrate on finishing my tasks. When I finally return home, I just want to relax. Now you say it. When I get home, I just want to relax. Very good. Great job, my friend. You just practiced almost a full day of English in only a few minutes. That's real progress. The more you shadow, the more natural your English will feel. Thanks for practicing with me today. I'm Alex, and this is English Flow Podcast. Until next time, keep speaking, keep shadowing, and keep improving. Bye for now.